What is the real color of an airplane's black box? Black, silver, orange, red. The correct answer is orange. A perfect score of 300 can be achieved in which of the following sports? Archery, bowling, darts, snooker. The correct answer is bowling. Calamari is a popular seafood dish made from which animal? Octopus, squid, cuttlefish, shrimp. The correct answer is squid. What is the title of the autobiography written by actor and comedian Kevin Hart? I Can't Make This Up, Life Lessons. Don't Mind If I Do. Hollywood Monster. My Word Is My Bond. The correct answer is I Can't Make This Up, Life Lessons. Who painted The Last Supper? Claude Monet, Salvador Dali, Leonardo da Vinci, Pablo Picasso. The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Which letter appears first on a standard computer keyboard? A, Q, Z, W. The correct answer is Q. What appeared on the design of the first official US coin? Bald eagle, Lady Liberty, George Washington, American flag. The correct answer is Lady Liberty. What was the very first product that Amazon sold when it launched? Music CDs, books, computer parts, video games. The correct answer is books. Dingo dogs are considered apex predators, which means they are the largest predators in their habitat. They have no natural predators. They have a significant impact on their ecosystem. They are solitary hunters. The correct answer is they have no natural predators. On which continent was the Glyptodon primarily found? Europe, Africa, South America, Asia. The correct answer is South America. What is the chemical symbol for gallium? Ga, Gl, Gr, Gn. The correct answer is Ga. Which river runs through the famous Grand Canyon in the United States? Rio Grande, Colorado River, Mississippi River, Missouri River. The correct answer is Colorado River. Who founded the city of Alexandria? Alexander the Great, Cleopatra, Ramses II, Julius Caesar. The correct answer is Alexander the Great. Which actor plays Solomon Lane, the main antagonist in Mission Impossible, Rogue Nation and Mission Impossible, Fallout? Philip Seymour Hoffman, Sean Harris, Michael Nyqvist, Christopher Plummer. The correct answer is Sean Harris. Which city is the buzzing capital of Suriname, the only Dutch-speaking country in South America? Ljubljana, Honiara, Paramaribo, Dakar. The correct answer is Paramaribo.